Okay, so here's my Air Canada collections from the airport. Here's a green sign, buckle up. Here's a airplane sign, dangerous. Cones, net, bus. This is for luggage. This is we're landing or take off. That's right. That's just Air Canada. That's why Air Canada to Canada, Canada country, Canada. This is Air Canada. Here's the leaf on the back. We will go to Canada. So next year we can go to until spring break. That's why we don't live in Canada. That's right. We will live in Canada in one day. What's up, Kelly? For someday. So, I guess yes.